Just a moment. Okay, guys, we are back again in a video reaction. I just want to, go through some of the things that is trending. As you can see on the title, we are here to talk about why is Ocha in France. Many of you know her. Everybody have their own way of, identifying who she is and what she represents. Many of you that followed me here all this while, you must know that I don't like to talk about her before, right? Sometimes when people call on my program and want to talk about her, I'll be the one to stop you and tell you, no, don't go there. I receive a lot of criticism about that. Some called me names. Oh, she's your friend. Oh, you're afraid of her. I received that. Before we go in detail about what brought us here, please let me encourage you to like this video. And we posted a video earlier today, actually. If you have not watched that, please make sure you can watch that video as well. The video is up for people that can read, not for everybody. Okay? I expect to share this video. We are gonna talk about. We spend maybe 1 hour. We are okay from this, from this live stream. I don't want to spend much more than that. Brother, you are doing a great job. May God bless you as you always stand on the path of the truth. That from Great Joe. I see you are the first person to make a comment, and I appreciate to see new people. I don't get to see this kind of a comment from you. Maybe you are following us, or maybe you are quiet followers. But I'm happy to see that you are forced to make a comment today. So it's very, very nice to see. Like the video, like it. There's a reason for that, okay? And I'm gonna tell you that in a jiffy. So there's this video that she played yesterday. She played that video thinking that she's exposing everything, because I don't know why some people behave like that. You'll be in communication with somebody. So maybe you call somebody or somebody called you. Next thing is to record the person. I remember when I started communicating with her, we did not talk for long anyway. If you open the logo. When I spoke with her a few times, maybe a week or 2 weeks like that, sometimes she would call me, sometimes I would call her. There was a day she was trying to go deeper about her own pain, like what she considered as a problem in USB, why they sack her and all that, why they suspend her and all that. She don't take advice, right? She don't. Maybe some of you that have been in contact with her, you can testify to that. She don't, take any advice. She don't listen to anybody. Listening to anybody is forbidden to her. Okay. Then she told me, I hope you can. She said, you can record me if you want. I told her, no, I don't record anybody. If you called me on phone, if you call me on phone, I will never record you. Say whatever you want to say. But I have my brain, my mind, my eyes to see the truth. So the choice is yours. I can't record anybody. No. And there's a reason for that. So that if you record me, then I have something to say. But recording somebody is a kind of chaotic movement. Sometimes it's good to record people, but not every single soul that come across your life, you record their conversation and everything. For you to see how our people, not everybody, what I mean by people, what I mean by our people, I'm talking about some of us that have different agreements, different opinion on what is going on now. For you to see how criminal-minded some people can be. For you to see how criminal-minded some people can be. You are in communication with somebody, maybe group communication, group conversation. You are one of the 3 or 4 people that gathered and try to share to talk. You are the only one recording the conversation. Even if other people record it, you are the first to bring it on social media. And when you get to the part where you make your own comment, then you use a editor to drag the video down, so people will not listen to what you said, your own contribution, because you must have said something for somebody to reply you. I don't know if you're following what I'm saying. If you talk about Mr. A, you want to discuss about Mr. A, and that Mr. A said a lot of terrible things about Mr. E. For Mr. A to finish that conversation very, very well, you claiming that you are listening must have in one way or another support what Mr. A said for him to flow with that conversation. You can no gossiper will come to you and gossip to you something without you saying nah. Even if you don't want to say anything, you must have said, my brother, I think it's only me the CMO. You know, this thing, this guy, that guy said that the person will not have the morale to go deep, to forge ahead. What is your own contribution? Did you tell us what you said? That's why I said they are not honest to themselves. They are liars and deceivers. And it is very, very bad when somebody who is not able to comprehend some certain issue, you don't manage information very, very well, to get involved in the saga that has to do with revealing information and identity and all that. Somehow, I don't blame Nwayi, Ocha and France much, because, oh, good morning, Tota, how are you? If this woman rather, have been questioned or interrogated based on what she has said so far, she won't have that time to fight dirty that she's fighting against herself. You understand? Because she's fighting against herself. You cannot tell me that in the midst of conversation, you are just like a statue waiting for people to talk, and they are talking. Your own is to listen to the record. No. You said something. What did you say? What exactly did you say? We are going to react on that video. Then we also have QTV. I did not even know that he caught my video and posted it on his wall. And the caption is what that I'm gonna flash flip the camera for you to see what he said. Please, if you are just joining us, don't forget to like the video. One of the things I want you to do is to like the video, so that the video will get to many people to understand what is going on. Truthful people, we appreciate anything honesty. I know that no matter what you do, no matter what you say in life, you must have opponents, people who see what you're doing as a threat. A criminal don't like it when pastors are preaching against stealing. If you are good in buying people, anytime a preacher begin to talk about people that are buying people and trying to share the reward of them as a Christian, they will feel uncomfortable. There's this proverb that said that an old woman feel uneasy. An old woman feel uneasy when anytime that dry bone is being mentioned. That's the way they use that proverb. Old woman feel uneasy, like you feel uneasy. An old man feel uneasy when anytime a dry bone is being mentioned. So if you are not in line with the truth, you don't like it, then you feel bad. Anytime truth or anything that has to do with honesty is being discussed, you will feel uncomfortable because you are not used to that. You will feel so bad about it. Now, QTV called the video and was questioning if they are afraid. I don't know what some people, this life, you cannot predict any human being. That's why I keep on telling us, even me here, don't bring all your trust and say, go and trust him, go and trust him. No. Allow the whole thing to flow the way it is. Just appreciate person today, tomorrow, wait until the person wake up and see where he stands. Especially in a movement like this. I don't trust anybody. Personally, I don't trust anybody until you prove otherwise. And I want everybody to do the same thing, even on me. You understand what I'm saying? Because that's why I also said, don't be part of those that always say, oh, Mas, you are so excellent. Mas, we love you. If I say it, I don't pay attention to what you are saying. Because I know it's one of the problems that our people are facing. We all overhype our own and giving that people edge to be misbehaved tomorrow. People hold this guy in a very high esteem. Okay? Today he started misyanning, and some Biafrans are still expecting him. Oh, maybe he's right. Let us see what. You don't know him. You don't know him. Just accept it. Okay? And I'm not saying you should just fight him because he has his own opinion. No. I only have a problem with him. Just one thing, that all this that he's saying, or what he have done so far, that I see that as a problem, is creating a group. It is normal for you to say that the USB is not getting it right. You are tired. You're fed up. I understand you. Hold on your opinion and run with it. I don't see you as enemy for saying that. But when you do that and start committing nuisance by calling names, breaking egg, using voodoo, cooking up stories and just to drag the person to the mud, saying all manner of nonsense just for people to see the person as one of the most terrible human beings ever, that is an issue. I don't like it. Anybody can say that. I can come up, come here and start telling you that Ogekere is the one that he's one of the commanders of Bakassi Boys, or he's a brother to Tokoto. I cook up something that is not existing and pretend that it exists. That's what I mean by people who murder Biafrans with their mouth. Yeah, and they're the one shouting, no, and they go to buy, but you are the one tying at people with your mouth and your actions. Many of them have blood in their hands without knowing they have it. Because when you begin to lie, deceiving people, pretending that you stand on the side of the truth, whereas you are very far from the truth, they will start calling for your head. Oh, this guy is talking too much. Some of them are ganging up to report people's page and all that. So we know all those things. But what kind of freedom are you looking for? Is it a freedom to see your brother in pain, or a freedom for you to liberate people? Masakan said something, that was last year in one of his courts. He said that in one of his court cases where the journalist was trying to ask him his take on insecurity going on in Southeast and all that. He said that we don't need to buy our people that we are fighting for. DOS actually thought that message is for PPM. Maz Naman can understand. He know people that are fighting. Not that he know them in a pain. He know the mechanism, that style people are using to buy our people. The disappearance of youth in our land. Maz can understand he know the danger, and that is why he choose to call our people to mobilize themselves and protect the land by forming ESN. He can't do it alone without the backup of the people, indigenous Biafrans, indigenous Igbo people. They are the ones that volunteer themselves, finances and support him. He is not just wake up and finances on his own, meaning that everybody is in agreement with that. Do you understand? But these people sometimes feel that, they are monopoly of everything. They can act and hide behind the scene to label this is a crime on PM or anybody preaching for freedom and unity and calmness in our land. Now these have been proven beyond every reasonable doubt that PM has something to do with the crime going on in our land. For going to foremost now, everything the whole thing intensified. But none of them have come out and said, we got it wrong. Why? Because from day one, when they're lying that this is in our land, that PM is the one, he's the one, buy him, arrest him, detain him, hold him, blah, blah, blah. They know that he's not. But they were, destroying your brain cell, lying to you, and the gullible one decided to invest into that, believing that PM is their problem. I knew how many times I've argued with people, not even in this issue of Biafra, but in a normal conversation. People, I may be talking with my classmate or anybody, they will start telling you that, forget about it, that dome is destroying our land, that guy, someone, all the way in Finland, command by, I just about the guy getting, but after deliberating on that with them and talking about it and throw some questions to them, they will be baptized. But they started thinking that PM is a problem because of those who are trying to label this nonsense on him. Why I'm saying this is because the same thing is going on now. It is going on now in a stylish way. CS is a problem, she's this, she's that. If she cough, she cough like a Fulani. If she stand up, can you see she quickly stand up like somebody that have a hot temper? You know, Muslim people have hot temper a lot. So maybe she grew up in a Muslim community. In fact, she's one holding the flag of ISWAB and Boko Haram and the rest of them. That's what they want. In their own mind, they know that is not true. But how can we get rid of this woman? How can we stop her? That they are not targeting the cabinet member like people that are playing key role in terms of the Afghan movement and freedom of our people. They are targeting them, dragging them. If they know that you don't like your name, they will drag. You are finished. Everything they will drag you. If they know that you don't like to make argument with people, they will keep on putting words in your mouth for you to, that thing that you don't like, to provoke you so that you wash your hand and say, what am I getting in this thing? And let me just go back and do my normal business. Like some people are saying now, because of this, let me hold my money. I don't want to contribute anymore. As if Fulani is waiting for you to have money before they strike your village. If they attack village A, you wait for village B. So it doesn't matter. If you like, I'm neutral, I'm hiding, what is going on now, man? Forget about it. None of them are sincere. Okay, you that is sincere, why don't you come out and protect the land? Because it's not a question of what you want. It is a must that our land is shaking, seriously shaking. If you doubt me, Benue State is not the Igbo land. So is Benue peaceful? Are they peaceful? Go and see how people are running helter-skelter there. Even now, the worst part is that Nigerian, media platforms and the rest of them, they don't want to report it. If you report it, they will summon you bill. That is just a fact. Imagine if they can do that to Benue, who happen to be their own more than the Igbo land. Our own is that we are conquered people, so everything in our land goes to our master. Benue people happen to be, Nigerian. They see that it is well written there. You can understand, right? If there's any share to go to any sector, any section in Nigeria, the Benue people will receive before Igbo land. If they give you out of pity. But Benue is running. Okay, maybe you say Benue is middle belt, or no, what I say is wrong. What about northeast? Is it eastern part? There is boring. They are running helter-skelter, looking for a way to survive. Then our people say, let me hold my money because what Adon Rama said is true. It's true. Let me keep my money. It's true. I don't want to donate. It's true. The question I'm asking is that when it happened to your village, who will you call? Because if you keep quiet, even with that your billion dollars and everything you have, right? With that you can't handle the catapult, can you? If your money cannot go enter bush, if you keep going the way you're going, it will get a point that you have money, you have to buy catapult and gravel and everything, but you don't have manpower. You don't have anybody that will use that. Because people will be like, okay, when I was telling you this, you don't want. Remember the time Atakan was calling for $1, begging Biafrans in US that you can afford it, you can do this. Not to buy innocent people. No. Nobody says donate money to go and start war. Defending your land is the key. Not looking for people to cut off their head. No. If you actually know Master Makan, you know that he's a very calm, gentle man, very reasonable human being. He is not somebody that will preach violence without you bringing threat to him. So let us focus on the threat. Biafrans ignored that warning years ago. Today, people are now. Imagine if that advice or suggestion that Master made then was accepted by Biafrans all over the world, and they begin to donate $1 a month, even if in a week. If you have more, you can put. Do you think that people that lost their life now in Ireland would have lost their life? Even though you may say they are nobody, but you don't know what the future holds for them. You don't know if they will invest something that will help our people. You don't know what they have offered to Igbo land. You don't know the potential they have that's just wasted because of negligences, because you want to make argument. And for God to allow Satan to punish our land, people like Nwayi, Ocha, and Francis now voicing out. People that ordinarily don't need to even speak, but they are the only thing they offer you is negativity. The only thing they are good at is negativity. Ogenkere is just, you know, Ogenkere is far, far innocent than why he's such in France. Many of you will like to agree this. You see, somebody who believes in what you want to do and set to work for that, it is better than enablers of that person, like people who are helping, who are making that thing that you want to do more easier. Because there's this proverb in Igbo language that said that a rabbit, rabbit na like inchi or squirrel, says that the hunter by him is not his problem. But those who say, then the hunter, it's like you catch rabbit, let me see. And the hunter will give the rabbit to you to check, to look at him. The rabbit said that act is the act of mockery. That he feels so pain when you ask the person that buy him to bring him so that you can see his dead body. I don't know if you are following what I'm saying. If you're following what I'm saying, if you're an Igbo person, these are days, or you are like me, you grew up in a village, it will make more sense to you. The person that is spearheading this negativity seems to be more innocent than those who are coming out every now and then and keep on dishing lies, getting falsehood, deceiving. Imagine somebody who is not well educated, taking his time to lie to people who are grounded, like you know what you're saying, you know what you're doing. But somebody who is way too below you is one dishing out falsehood and lie against you, telling you, meaning that she have the courage, believing that her brain works faster than you. Upon all your certificate and your education that you claim that you have, she believes that she's far, far better than you. Please, my people, like the video. Okay. I wanted to stream this on a backup channel, but on the second thought, I said, let me come here because here we're not going to waste much time. Okay. I don't think I will actually bring phone number to answer call. Maybe later tonight we may stream on another platform. But for now, let us be here for now. Okay, let's just manage here. Now, I want you to listen to this. I may not play it to the beginning, to the end rather. Hear this. I'm going to play this from this brother's platform, Okute Daily Talk 2. Okay, hear what he said. Just a moment.
Biafra put up this.
Now let's open here.
Found out something incriminating about Adandembo.
Okay, wait.
Found out something incriminating.
Start from here.
One of the guys that are working with me, the guy is an investigative journalist, found out something incriminating about Adandembo and Ocha, or Adandembo and Doshi.
Just a moment.
I want you people to take note of what I'm telling you now. She will see this video and she can counter me because she talked too much. And when Adandembo and Doshi begin to lie, even devil they shake. Even devil they call Jesus.
It is true. Honestly, this thing that this our brother said here is 100% true. The level of lie, even devil will be in shock. I thought I'm the father of all liars. When did this woman overthrow me? That's not the fact. Devil they learn work. I love this thing that this guy said here. I will take it back a bit.
Devil is shit. When Adandembo and Doshi begin to lie, even devil they shake. Even devil they call Jesus. Let me shock you people. The money that have been shared.
So let the advert play. Okay. Let us wait for the advert to play. I just want you to understand what this our brother is trying to say. And it's not from me. I just told you who uploaded the video. But I have no reason to doubt what he said. 100%. 100% true. That's why I'm playing it actually. Please like the video. Somebody is asking why we have 100 and something people watching, only 39, only 38 watching, 38 live video, 39 hit like button. Please, I don't know what you believe on. I don't know your own side of group. I don't know, but I doubt that I have more enemy here than friends. So please, all I want to do is to hit like button. Very, very important.
We can do support.
You should like the video. Okay.
Even them they call Jesus. Let me shock you people. The money that have been shared by Akpabio and Wike to support the declaration of state of emergency in Rivers State. Adam Doshi collected her own $5,000. Somebody might ask now, where is the evidence?
Just pay attention that this saga going on in the River State. Waja and Nundashi have collected already her own share. Okay, na. And the Ajani. Let me take it back again. This is not the reason why we are here. Okay, just calm down. We are going to take it step by step.
By Akpabio and Wike to support.
No, hold on.
Let me shock you people.
Okay.
The money that have been shared by Akpabio and Wike to support the declaration of state of emergency in Rivers State. Adam Doshi collected her own $5,000. Somebody might ask now, where is the evidence? Yes, they will say now, where is the evidence of what they are saying? It is a propaganda or a lie.
Okay.
In governance, that's what they call classified information.
True talk.
In other words, leaking that information with the Transcan Street is that with me.
Did you hear that? This our brother have proof, evidence that Ada, why is Ocha, have received money from the same Nigerian that is calling Ngosora Bese, Ngosora Fulani, Ngosora Fulani. Oh, see, Nigerian. See, I got this message before listening to the video, one of the videos that she played on her platform yesterday. And the reason why I decided to start with this one, for you to know that many of them shouting, oh, you are serving Nigerian, oh, she's a police officer, oh, special force in Nigeria, oh, Ngosora Fulani, Nigerian Fulani, Fulani. All those people, Baramborogo. I mean, they are highly connected with the government of the day. What I mean, I'm talking about Bongo government. They are highly connected there. Before the fact I don't have, if I lay my hands on that proof that your brother have, I swear I am going to bring it out. For watching for watching the videos that she played on her platform yesterday, any information that I have about her, if you get to me, I will bring it out. Why? Because she loves to bring every secret out, isn't it? Everybody have his own, his or her own flaw. But those who think they are angels are more dangerous than anybody. Those who claim that they are innocent, I am pure. They want, because Master kind of said that IPB is water than snow. Some criminals actually want to hide on that statement that they are pure. No, I'm not going to hide anything here, as long as it has to do with data. Unless if you send me the information and say don't bring it in public, I will not. That's not me. But if you mistakenly leak it out without telling me, I will bring it out. Because you see, you cannot eat your cake and have it. I told us a few days ago that there's limit on everything. If you want to, if you want, you say that this information somehow. I don't know what I mean by that. Amaka Ike. Okay. He said you don't believe that. You don't believe that, right? I believe this guy is a gentle guy. I don't know him in person, but I don't see any reason why he will come out, use his platform to lie that he have information against that such information against that. Because that told us in the past, in case you have maybe you don't know or you have forgotten, that Ohanes Elibo contacted her before to work with Lizzie Kano to tear PM, PM down. Are you getting what I'm saying? That have told the whole world using her platform that there was a time Ohaneze Ndigbo, political Ohaneze Ndigbo, contacted her that they're gonna cater for her, fund her, put her on a pay, salary and everything. She was saying that, trying to tell you that she had an offer and because of her love for Biafra, she rejected it. But when you look at what is going on and what she said after that if anybody trying to bring a Biafra, if the person is not PM, any other person that is not PM, that she will turn to Sabo. She said it now. The same thing that Wodo said of Enugu State. That if you are anybody that want to bring Biafra, that he will turn to Sabo. I'm just trying to remind you what the person that you guys are taking her classified information serious, what she's made of. Okay? You cannot just like say something like that and believe everybody to use concrete to cover everything without connecting it all. What are you trying to tell me? So when you hear that she received money from government by proxy, is it by directly or indirectly? It is true, because for her to receive call in the past with Ohanes Elibo, meaning she don't have that big platform, but they have already touchlight her to know what she's capable of. They know before you toast a girl, you have actually done your analysis within you to know if the girl will say yes or not. Before someone courageous to approach a woman, you don't just tell me that because you don't. I mean, everybody you see you toast. No, there are some ladies that if you see them, you have to comport yourself before going, right. So for anybody that want to give you money as a broadcaster, or somebody that is an agitator, for some of you that are agitating, before they approach you to give you some offer, they must have seen, where who is what this our brother, what does he really like? This our sister, what do you think is her problem? So that we know who you are to know the offer they're gonna present to you. Maybe then she felt that PM will tear her apart. Maybe she's somehow afraid of PM. But now that the road everything is open, she's now the one, one. In her own mindset, that's what she thinks she is. So for you to say no, how can it be possible? It is highly possible, very very possible. Now again,
still endanger her life.
Let me take it back again, so you can follow very well.
In other words, leaking that information with the Transcan Street is that with me. It still endanger her life. Yes, she might be bad. But don't forget,
Okay.
Even if she's bad, we will not like the zoo to kill her or to buy her. No. We will treat all of their meson in due time. That is the kind of treatment I will suggest for all the old sabos in this trouble when the time is right. I will not release the evidence because the evidence I don't give a propaganda and
I don't know this brother as a propagandist. That's not a fact. So okay, many of you don't know him. You do, but he's not a beginner. Okay, he's not a learner on YouTube. Look at him. This is our brother. Okay, this is our brother. I don't see this guy as a troublemaker. I won't lie. I don't know him in person, but I don't see him as a problem, a troublemaker or a liar. All these things going on, he just quiet and mind his business. He never jump from here to there. And when you even if you hear him the way he talk, you should know that he's someone that is somehow coordinated. Do you understand? So I don't see any reason to doubt what he's saying. And he said that he have information. Not that somebody is gonna send it to me. But the kind of person that he is, may you imagine, I don't lay a hand on any evidence that COS received money from what is going on in River State. Will he delay? That's the thing. You see the difference? This brother said that he have the proof, like me. That is almost 5 different voice notes that I have. Nobody, no, some people have it, but nobody have played it outside. I guess how the voice notes is with me for almost going to 1 week now. But I don't have any reason to start playing it. Do you understand? But this woman, because she's lack of information or anything, she will use time and beg the group, the cut. Because now she's in contact with Dokude Biafra. That one is a professional professor of video cutting and editing. So maybe that is that. I'm just saying, not that I have intel. I'm just saying anything is possible. Let me leave it there. Yeah, let's continue.
Never started from that. But when the time is right, they will ask, where is the evidence that she collected such money? I, Okude, will provide it.
Do you understand? That if the going get tough, that people will, okay, where's the evidence that she collected money? That he will provide the evidence. Oh, what can they go for? Why? Even some women are very, very resolute. You understand? They are very strong. So when I say no, why? I don't mean to look down on women. What I'm trying to say is that for a man to beat his chest and say that I will bring evidence, that evidence with him. Women can use this kind of thing to do saga and feel like why is Ocha and France normally do. I told her when I was talking to her, I told her, please, that evidence that you have against us, bring it on so that we learn from that. We want to, I want our eyes, or my eyes, to be open like yours. But she couldn't give me anything. Yet she want me to just follow the music. Do you understand? You see, my home is Biafra. He's sending this is the hackers sending link, but YT sees it. Many of you sending link, YouTube link. It's not actually YouTube link. Let me use the opportunity to tell if you're a broadcaster or you are on YouTube, you are content creator. Whether you're talking about Biafra or not, be careful on the link that you're clicking on. What they're doing now is to hack your channel, and once they hack it, they don't need your money, but to pursue you out of social media, they'll start uploading, indecent dressing, sex tape, and all that, which is against the rule of the platform. So, if you have not done two-way verification, please go and do it. They can do anything. One of our brothers just lost his channel 2 days ago because of what I'm telling you now. So, if you are broadcasting or you are planning to learn this for free. Now, let's continue.
If someone ever is out today, I'll be the first to forward that information to him.
That evidence, that proof.
Because that is the most noise maker we have in this struggle.
Okay.
When someone ever was there.
Even now.
Each time they appear on live, you hear her voice like Ogene. It's nothing in her brain. That is the message I'm preparing before I don't know what I scroll on X, and I saw the post from this guy. There's one fake voice, and I have been playing every day against Ocha Rabezi. Okay, I never completed that message of the money she took. It's part of the payment to make sure that she never speak anything good about this Biafra struggle. The side of Ogengere might be rejoicing that she is with them. No. Her own mission is different.
Honestly, the people that are following, like ordinary members of Ogengere group, are rejoicing. But let me tell you this: Sona Akparawa and all these ogas in the Ogengere country, they know they don't trust her. I'm telling you, even if you are to be Sona Akparawa or not Chemaka, Ogengere, will you take her that serious? Ada is there just to make people feel that something is going on here. They know what she can do. I played a audio of one of their group complaining that is Ada here on that fundraising. Is Ada here? They said no. Okay, that that should tell us where she belongs. And maybe I will play that audio. Let's continue.
Her own mission is to make sure that anything that got to do with Ngozi Orabeze and USB is completely destroyed.
Exactly.
Even the DG is not even safe in her hands.
Okay.
They should be wary of Adande Ocha and Degede. It is my own candid advice. But I turn over it.
Okay. Please don't call. I'm using number to stream. Please don't call.
So let me read what this our sister wrote here concerning Adandembo versus the Abarawan in the house, which is Dr. Ngozi Chukwu Orabeze. Don't move an inch. I'm here to serve you. If you are watching me and you never subscribe, I don't know what you're waiting for. But if this is your first time of watching me or seeing my video,
so that is our brother there. I love what he said here, and that will bring me to the program of Ada that QTV shared. Why I choose to play from QTV, because some of you saying, "Oh, you just hate QTV." I don't hate him. Why would I hate I don't know him. I don't know him. Okay, the way you are saying it, the way I'm saying it. You have not done anything wrong to me. Do you understand? So the difference between my brother, this what you are doing now is not good, and oh, you have done me something bad. You know that kind of thing. So let us just get it right. It's not out of hate. I'll spend him time with that number here. I don't even hate Ogengere. I hate what he's doing. Do you understand me? So nobody, the only person that have done me wrong at all is Chiamaka Ijere by mentioning my name in his voodoo, exercises. Voodoo exercise. He want to use my name to do voodoo and all that. Funny enough. Very, very, very funny. Anyway, I know. See, breaking egg is not something new. Anybody can do it, but make sure that the person have done something wrong to you, and I will leave it there.
The whole world. I know she was even their wife. She was in Finland. They saw that would recognize it. No shit. They've been cooking it without a care. She didn't recognize us. And we are putting back. They do not know the power of the media. Where you stop the media.
The person that says media is the power is the woman. Why is such in France? Woman can't why is such a anyway. I hope your hair is still white, my Anyway, let's continue. I just want you to play, because this is the part of the video that she played on her platform yesterday. What do you think that she wanted you playing those things? This conversation there, she was there. They were talking. She decided to record. You know, when you are recording something, you be careful. You will not say what you want to say. Maybe she said all manner of nonsense before. Then immediately she pressed that recording. She started choosing her words. That's how they roll. Now, and anybody in contact with her, you should be careful. Anything that you cannot say in public, don't say it in her private conversation with you. She full of, I don't know who's advising her, to be honest with you, because if I thought she'd have somebody giving her some advice, she won't be doing what she's doing. Please like the video. We are almost 200 people watching, but only 63 managed to click on like button. I don't know your problem. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'm going to take it back. Pay close attention. Just mind the, I want you to recognize voices that you're going to hear. It's very, very important. QTV shared it in solidarity with what the other is doing and what Odinke is doing. Makadina say, oh, QTV, he have just a opinion. He's neutral. If you are neutral, you will be neutral. But your own neutrality seems to be creating helping hand for another people who are already falling back or who want you to, everyone to fall back.
The whole world. I know she was even their wife. She was in Finland. And Sonia was recognizing it. No shit. They've been cooking it without a care. She didn't recognize her.
So somebody said that is your madam, not ambassador of recording voice, evil people. Now let us talk about recording voice a bit before we move forward. You see, I'm not here to defend voice recording. Are you getting my point? Like, if you followed me when I started, I said that sometimes in some cases you need to record people, but not on a movement like this. Like, if you want to do business with anybody, you can record so that something that has to do with the money or a business, not freedom movement. You are recording voices and all that. The same thing that you said here was the reply of if you're Ubiko. You know, we know they forget you. That was the reply of if your Ubiko was challenged. Why must you record conversation between you and PM and other? She said, "Oh, PM, he taught me that. She taught me. He taught me how to record people. Why is he complaining? He is the number one person that record. Everything have process. Like, you don't do something because other people are doing it. The reason why they do that, you may not be in the level to do that. If people who understand will understand. Those who want to argue will argue, of course. Now, all this while, the only thing that COS recorded that many of you talked about then was, I'm talking about private one, was the conversation between her and PM lawyer. Some of you call her, say that's ex-wife, some of you say lawyer. But you know the person I'm talking about, that woman that they used few months ago to deceive Biafrans. Now, that time that COS recorded her, if I'm in position of COS, I will record more. You know why? Because I already know that people that are working, that are with me in the Biafran movement, they don't believe me. They won't believe this thing. They will think that I'm lying. That I just cooked up the story and everything. You have to record it as an evidence. That's number one. Number two is when COS played, executive meeting. I'm trying to tell me that those people don't know that meeting was recorded. They know. In Zoom meeting, you can record it, and if you're in a Zoom, once you press recording, it will announce to everybody that this conversation is being recorded. You understand? So it's not something that she recorded, without their notice. Everybody know. They know that meeting was recorded. They recorded it and everything. Now, the way Sonia Bravo and their like was started complaining about it is because they said that why must you bring it out? Why must you bring it out? That you are bringing it out because this is private information between internal conversation and all that. Meaning that, remember when they said that CS has committed a treason offense and all that? After playing the conversation of the same meeting where PM called Adadorama a sabo, they played the voice in public. Then they turn around to complain that CS, brought out their own flop in the cabinet. People who have, clear conscience and who don't have any sentiment, we really understand what I'm saying. Can you see that Saturday fundraising got them mad? And yeah, I understand that. If I'm not reading your comment, please bear with me because I need to make sure that I pass the message I want to pass. Innocent is here. Innocent said, so you Why I'm reading your message, because I saw the flag that you put here. People that are on comment section can see your comment. So your USB, hold on. So your USB is non-humanitarian in Nigeria. It is not anybody's fault that you are eating. Are you getting me? It is not anybody's fault that you choose to be eating. What reasonable it to do is that they know that they are eating, but they have to go to people who know better than them to equip their knowledge, to keep it up to date. Like, if you don't know, accept that you don't know, and make sure that you friend those who know better than you, for you to actually offer something reasonable. But you see this idea of, oh, humanitarian organization and all that, you don't make any sense. If you know the tactics they are using to challenge that declaration and USB, even if CSC said that the money they're donating is for orphanage home, accept it, you get one. And you must not know everything, because you don't deserve to know everything. If you don't know what basic thing that's supposed to know in life, is this something that is somehow difficult, that requires your attention? Is that where you think that you know everything? No. I see them questioning that. You people are very, very funny. Please, Dr. Ngozo Rabede did not record. She played a voice message. Okay. That's another thing. Because when I say record, I heard Sana Parawa saying that you can see that is what she do. She was in communication with Ngozo Rabede. That's the woman in Finland, and she recorded it. So now this our sister Amaka is telling us that the woman actually sent that voice note to COS. That COS is not the one that recorded it. That's a new thing to me. But maybe maybe because I heard it from Sana Parawa, he could be wrong, because he's good at lying. He can lie anything. He can lie with anything. Innocent. You are own illiterate. Go back to primary school. So success, Ekba. The same thing applies to that, because she said it like that. You will have not believed. Stop deceiving. Analyze what your madam said. Not criticizing Ada. Not only innocent is need to go back to school. Your own. You should start with kindergarten. A is for apple. You go back to A is for apple level, because your own is very, very funny. Innocent is even better than you. Just hear yourself. I'm talking to you, success, Ikpa. Your own is very, very, very shocking. So Ada recorded Ogenkere. Ada recorded Chiamaka Jere. Ada recorded everybody record. You understand? So she thought that I would record her when I was talking with her. I told her, I don't know. Maybe she have the conversation. But what I said there, if she play it out, nothing will happen, because I don't say what I cannot say in public to someone that I already know that your job is to record everybody. Do you understand me? So I told her that I know. So go back to A is for apple level, okay? Now listen.
They do not know the power of the media. Where you start in media is where I've not even started using my connection. I swear to God. They use the network in this trouble. I just can stabilize a good year. Then we're by Nigeria. We use up my network in Nigeria. Don't put the better one church. Okay, can I buy again from the Southeast government, South governors? When I'm about federal, when I'm about young, I would have been a minister in Nigeria now. So here on a
this woman, the CS slow. But in the translation or explanation of this woman, now CS say that no, I make it I stabilize and no, I not Nigeria. We is the Nigerian government, federal government, go say you're gonna war. This because when she lies, some people say, oh, she's doing that because she's not educated. This one is Igbo language, my people. Igbo language. Please, it is funny that you have spent how many minutes here? What I can see here is how many minutes have you spent? Okay, 54 minutes going to 1 hour. Then, and we have almost 200 and something, sometimes 200, sometimes 200 something. But only 68 people would like the video. Click on like button, okay? Like this video. You cannot tell me that people who hate truth, outnumber those that expect people to lie. Click on like button. Like the video, and for you to like it, in case you are not looking for like button, there are straight dots at top right hand corner of your phone. Tap it. You will see an option for you to like it. Just get it to. I want to have 100 like. It's not bad. We have 200 and something people watching live. So 100 is not bad. At least half of the. At least it will make more sense. Just hit the like button. If you are new, subscribe to the channel. Now, when you hear somebody like that telling you that this is what she has said, she played it and she decided to analyze it by telling you now that she has said that Nana has something. I say everybody leak. Let me play it again so that you understand. Came out of the man again and they take it serious.
No shit. They've been cooking it without a care. He didn't recognize us. And we hear from they do not know power of the media. Media is power. Where you?
Now, she was talking as if she's in support of, talking as if she's sick. Yeah, saying the media is powerful. But she knows that she have already pressed recording. So, every good thing that she's supposed to say, she will not say, excuse me. Sorry about that. I have to attend to something very important. So, my people, and that twisted it immediately, telling you that this is what she has said. Well, that is not what she said. This is what you people don't know. She have what you want to do in her mind, in her brain. When she said before that she can destroy everything, if anybody want to get Biafra, she was not joking, and it is now clear to everybody. Listen.
In media is where more. I've not even started using my connection. I swear to God. They use the network in this struggle. I just can't stabilize it again. Then we're by Nigeria. We use up my network in Nigeria.
Did you hear that? That she have not even used her network in this struggle. That now time is coming when she will use her network to say Nigeria Jaja. This is internal conversation going on between some people that you see that told us that they are cabinet member, they are trusted, they are this, they care for you. And this woman playing it out now simply means that she's not going for Biafra anymore. Because two things are involved. One, she wants Nigerian government to feel like this is plan of CS. Are you getting the point? When you reject something, you reject everything that has to do with that thing. And that is what she have done. In her mind, Biafra will say, oh, so she have contact in Nigeria, oh. But we already know what she want to do, what is her job. Now, connect this thing with what this our brother said, that he have intel, that Ada received some cash from what is going on in River State today. If she can do this, trying to tell Nigerian government that COS said this, trying to tell them this is her mistake, this is her plan, this is what she want to do. That's what she's actually doing. Nothing more. Okay, are you trying to tell me that playing this video will do anything, convince anybody? The answer is no. But people who are sharing it today are class of good TV, Sona Parawa. All of them are sharing it. All of them. Some of them know that this is what the message is all about. But for them to get back at serious or trying to paint her bad to target your fund, they will do that. If you want to contribute money, I'm not saying you should not contribute money to anybody that you want. Your money is your money. I don't have power to tell you pay money here, don't pay money here. No, I'm not here for that. My own is to analyze lies and the comment people are making on social media, because that is what the tactics they're using. They use that to. Please don't call. I'm not. I do not open line here to answer call. Just bear with me. I'm still talking on this issue. Maybe after you can, because once I answer your call now, the stream will end. I'm using the phone to stream. That's what I'm using now. So please bear with me and like the video in case you are just joining us. I know that our brother is one of us. Okay. Let's continue, please. Just manage. Take me the way you see me today. I may put line. I may bring line for you to call, phone number to call. But for now, just wait. We love our DPM. That's from Udoka. Please comment Yapa. Well, we're gonna take it little by little. Meaning that Ogenkere is working with Eastern governors. This woman did not see that side as an issue. To tell you that her mission is not to expose US to Biafrans, but to expose US to Nigeria. Are you getting the point? To tell them now, when I was with her, this is what she used to say. They may tell her, okay, go and play it out so they will be sure. Okay, you know, if you play it out now, it is a win-win. After all, people that are believing in her will run away, and we have confirmed to all that message is very, very true, because nobody is countering that. You understand? Now, here again. Are you getting the point? No problem if I am with Biafra. I would have been a minister in Nigeria. That they are perfect, that they have contact. This is internal conversation. And this woman, in her own myopic way of reasoning, think that she cannot, twist it to her test. That is all about exposing her that, oh, she's working in Nigeria. But you can hear the part where she said, no. That time now, because you use your federal contact yourself, now you get access it be Nigeria. And for you to actually win, you must have contact inside. That the easiest way to, ask yourself, how did Nigeria win Biafra in 1967? They won through internal body. You have to penetrate in. Even now in Biafran movement, what happened to Masamakan? It is presence of the enemy in the internal. In IPOB. PM is where he is today. It is presence of people, enemy, in internal. That's how it is. So that she said that he have contact to penetrate. This woman in her own little brain, oh, she's not an agent, she's a registered agent in working against everybody. I'm just saying that we should learn how to allow our brain to work. There's difference between exposition that actually merits that something that you learn something from it. Not when you are twisting everything to suit your own idiotic narrative. You want people to believe you because you think that everybody's have coconut head or something like that. Never. If you want to, if you, for example, Peter B said that Nigerian is the best. Have you ever called for his head? No. If you actually believe that what they are doing is they are against Nigerian, oh, Nigeria is a bad person. Oh, if you work in Nigeria, you should start with your brothers, their own brothers working in Nigerian government. But to them, they are okay. They are our brothers. We should consider them. But people somebody who's okay, I don't want to work in Nigeria, I want to join in Biafra movement to liberate our people who need our freedom. Okay, let me see your phone. Oh, you have a number. This number is Nigerian number. Who is this? And oh, we are going to kill you. We are going to buy you. We are going to buy you. But you ignore those that are actively working with Nigeria. That you are saying, see, your own job is to fish out who is working with Nigeria and buy them and look for them. Anybody that have his brain active, you should understand that they are not actually is trying to expose anybody to Biafrans. What they're doing is to validate their work people have sent them to do. They will be the first to tell you that, oh, Musa said that attack their finance, that everything will fall. They are using that to deceive you, but their action is just what Musa said. If not, tell me, how can you make this to make sense? You are finance minister. You refuse to give an account. Okay, let me not go there because they don't like it, isn't it? They say that how dare you to question him. Fine. People who are contributing the money don't trust you anymore. What you should do is to prove to them that you are worth trusting. That you are somebody that they can trust. End that trust. You refuse to do that thing that will make it to end the trust. Meaning that you don't even care about them. Because if you actually want to get Biafra, and you know that you are not fighting, you are not doing what you are doing using natural resources, it is individual contribution. When those contributors have issue with you receiving and managing their money, what you should have done is, okay, what is your problem? They say accountability, they want to see what you're doing. There's this allegation that the money in the account, you refuse to give account and all that. Come out clean and say, okay, my brothers and sisters, it is not true. Also, there's money here, there's money here, there's money here. Even if you don't want to do it because of security reasons, those in the cabinet need to be aware. Not in public then. You refuse to explain yourself in the cabinet. You refuse to explain yourself publicly for Biafran to know. Yet, you are telling people to come and donate money, fall back. I don't understand. You can this their tactics would have worked if they have access to oil or natural resources, so they don't bother about what your own opinion is. Just for example, imagine if there's no oil in Nigeria today, and Nigeria is running their day-to-day based on tax or people's contribution in Nigeria, and the way it's going on, they will be panicking. Oh, let us do this road very well. Let us give them electricity so that they will be able to contribute at the end of the month for us to continue running at the government. But in as much as they are going back to Niger Delta and different land to drain oil, they don't care. If you like run from now to Duncan.com, they know that the share and the oil companies draining oil and everything, they are at work. So they don't bother about your opinion, because your money, whether you donate money or not, they don't even need your money. You are the one waiting for them to give you. It is different from what is going on in Biafra land or in Biafra movement. So some of them telling you that have to pay money, you have to do this. They are saying those things because they want you to continue contributing money without being assured of how that money is being spent. They start them by telling you that CS is not giving money. I think that one is not quenching somehow. She don't pay money to men on ground, don't send money to men on ground. I think that one has been clear. Since CS and the cabinet member came out and replied gentle, I have not seen anybody. Oh, tell Madam Mongosi, where's the money that they're contributing? Tell Madam Mongosi, where's the money? Now is the non-clear to everybody, right? I have not seen anybody. I've said it before. This to tell you that they actually know the truth, but they don't want to talk about it because of what they want to achieve, pretending that they are fighting for you and all that. Let's continue, because you cannot tell me that this woman videos that I've seen people playing that and let us see what that gentleman is saying now. Oh, what are you going to counter that? Counter what? What are you countering here? What this is? If you begin, what are they panicking for other people not to record them? Because they know what they're saying. Like I told you, there's some audio that it is even in my own position. I have some audio. Somebody sent it to me. To be honest with you, I'm not a hacker. Somebody sent me audio, but that audio is her own private conversation. Her own private, not one, it's up to 7. It's not on social media yet. But people will be telling you, oh, somebody, the person that sent it to me told me that I should not play it. But send your own private information to her now. She will play it. Oh my Jan, Brandano, hey. That don't go to the Fulani and the Fulani, in the buy, the butcher and the buy. Oh my Jan, Brand, also that now watcher. On our Danacho, and I call you. Ngwere niile makpo makpo onye ma nke afọ na-alụ ọyịlụ ya aka n'ike lụrụ nshi. Okay, gụwa gaa n'ike iti aka n'ike, gịnị ka ị na-achọ? Some of them don't understand. Some of them don't understand. I am not an insider. Some of you doubt, oh, you talk like an insider. If you say you're not an insider, what I, even to follow only this guy, only Sana Parawa. If you allow your brain without any sediment to work, you will talk like an insider, because what the guy is saying, lie after lie. So you will be able to debunk it easily. They are making the job too easy, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. They are making it too easy. Once you play Mr. A program, listen to another one, ask yourself questions. The answer will be everywhere. Like one of them put on my comment section today. He said, how did he put that question? How did he put the question anyway? Let me remember the question. He was trying to tell me that COS is working for a hair. That is the video I made earlier today. I talked about falling back. If you want to fall back, why don't you fall back to myself, or fall back to IPOB, fall back to autopilot? Why are you falling back to only to breathe? Because they're falling. That's where they have their cancel. Their cabal is working, because they know if they send it to autopilot, somehow workers there, maybe cabinet there, or people that are not in breed now, they may not be. Then you have a Seman, Nelly of and Faith of God and the rest of them during the autopilot. So they want to end it. They want to fall and land only in a brig, because to them, brig is the where they have office. Why are they not falling back to IPB? The US. Okay, fall back to myself, because they don't have office there. As simple as this is just common sense, for crying out loud. This is just common sense. But they want to end it. Then that guy said, your madam form her own group. After watching that video, somebody made social trances. Made social trans, and your madam fall back, your madam create her own group. I told him, he said that brig breastfeed USB, that has brig and breastfeeding USB. Why are we not falling back? Are you getting it? They're trying to ask smart that understand this element, that brig, that's different comment in Israel, breastfeed, give birth to USB, and still breastfeeding USB. Then I asked him, when IPOB was formed, did Mazov ask them to fall back? Did Mazov ask IPOB to fall back to Mazov? When autopilot was formed, did the IPOB told them, okay, we gave birth to autopilot, now we'll wait until we tell you that until we are done breastfeeding you? They want to use that as if it is normal, illustration to teach why you must fall back. Only simple question. IPOB, did IPOB breastfeed autopilot or not? When did the autopilot stop breastfeeding brig? I told him, if they born you well, answer this question. You understand? If they born you well, answer. Let me hear you.
So
No, stabilize. When I say Nigeria, this is her own understanding from this, which is a lie. It is not as if she don't understand what CS said. This is Igbo language that CS spoke here. Igbo language, and it's not even. Let me take it back again.
So
this is Igbo language. So he will on work with the state governors. Now I also want to do her own. She can go to federal. Are you getting the point? Like again. No, okay, I finish here and make a stabilizer. That's what she's trying to say here. Please, after listening to what she has said now, is there any connection from what she has said with this woman is trying to tell you that that's his explanation? Nke abụkwa interpreting English to Igbo. Nke a bụ Igbo versus Igbo. Why am I? Because oyi akwa eji atụ asị like Chineke mere mmadụ ebere. Ay, oh my goodness. Listen.
Use connection yana Nigeria where Nigeria name. So okay, kill that no can about south east southwest. No na use na so where na about federal.
Now, coming from somebody who told us that Ohanes and people reach out to her to work with the Lizzie Carl, that the yellow lady that is doing content, you know her, that she refused. Who told you that the people that contacted her then that have disengaged? Judging by what this her brother revealed in her broadcast today, that he has, some evidence of this woman receiving money shared by federal government on what is going on in River State today. I'm not the one that said it. I played it here so that it will not be as if, oh, you are lying. You know the person that said it, and he claimed that he have evidence. And if that drama face I got the evidence. That if PM comes out today, he's gonna forward it to PM. Classified information.
You cannot give what you don't have. What is it that where are you going with to even elite the Saturday. I guess what I analyze psychiatric hospital. Okay, so what?
This is her own contribution. Now, found this name as they're not psychiatrist hospital. Okay, let's continue.
How every month because about the cuckoo man I don't even want to talk about that food. There's some discussions I don't even want to because girlfriends already know. Today in this struggle, one on the same table. On the same table with somebody like Sonia Aparawa and they Kelly I swear to God that will never happen. Whether they see or not, again, people don't even know me. How can Macadamias make peace? How can you make peace with this kind of thing? Don't have on the same channel. I would feel I think
Now, COS made it clear that she can never ever be on the same table with them again. Are you listening? That she cannot work with them again. This woman, why is in France, told her, maybe she believed that doing all these things they're doing, we actually one day when they wake up and see everybody going to falling back. What you actually doing is pushing them away from the struggle. Many people have said that. Many, just like me, when PM and the US was doing the order, I said that if Martin can come out and decided to side DOS that I have something to say. So many of you that following me before now, okay, I think you will remember me saying what I just said now. That I have that thing that I will say is that I won't believe Mazamakan anymore. I don't know if you're following what I'm saying. I said it. This is not about PPM and what's going on now. I'm telling you what I've said before between PM and Mazamakan and IPOB. When they were telling Samarepa, oh, Samarepa is this, I said that, knowing, seeing what I'm seeing from Samarepa now, if Mazamakan come out and say something different, you remember when they were pushing Mazamakan to say something in the court to condemn PM? I said, even if you condemn PM, the only thing you achieve by doing that is pushing people like me away from listening to what you are saying, following what your activities, that I won't believe that Igbo people have any hope from Masamakan anymore. Because there's no way you will tell me that you are going for freedom and you are supporting somebody who is anti-freedom. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't matter. If you actually have issue with anybody because of that freedom that you are requesting for, you want, you won't do something funny. You will stick with that freedom no matter who is there. But not when somebody that is there is saying something different that is not in line with freedom. But you have problem with Mr. A, but Mr. A is truly looking for freedom, then you have to work with Mr. A because truly he's looking for freedom. But when Mr. A is doing is anti-freedom, doing something that will put the freedom in jeopardy, like destroy freedom, you can't achieve it. The person representing something that will never ever be possible for you to achieve your freedom. Then there's no way to work with the person. So you can't tell me that you want freedom and you're working with somebody who is against freedom. You can't make peace with that kind of person. That's exactly what COS said here. And I was thinking that this one should have focused on other things than what the video you are playing here. You're actually exposing many things to their fans. God will work in a mysterious way. Those of you who refuse to understand what this video is all about, you need to watch it again. Watch it very, very well. If you want that fan freedom, will you accept to work with somebody who want to make money with the Afro movement alone, not to give you freedom? Or will you accept to work with somebody who wants freedom, but somehow you guys are not in good time? Maybe the person insulted you in the past or said something in the past against you. Which of them will you do? That's exactly what I mean by that. Now, let us go to another thing because no, this is the first one. Let us hear from the C of the C. Share the same thing. Let me see if the same clip is what they share together, because all of them have their own way of sharing the messages. Listen, let us hear another part. This is from the same program that she did yesterday. Listen.
And we continue to work with those idiots. They have no clue. They have no clue at all. Odogu Jepota, Athena, those in so bad, they are very good. Maria, I have a problem now. When Odogu Jepota, as no ye, dozy, the dozy, Manaiti, more that I apply. Odogu Jepota, Odogu Apuluno, Odogu never gate, Odogu never for USB. Susan, they come and eat him on I apply. By then, make this choice again, friend. Una, we're going to down for mission. Or the good I am down for mission. Or the good I
did I blame USB government on this one. They have a lot of evidence against this woman, claiming that she have if you have for Bapata. If you for Bapata, going to be if I for Bapata. Because people want to respect themselves. They don't want to be, losers like you. They just want to maintain, their prestige because the level carry. They don't want to go harder. They don't want to fight dirty. You are taking advantage of that and acting like as if you know everything. What they said here, like I said before, is simple. That PM come out and said, no, it's yes, Biafrans, no, Sonia Parawa is the right person to be in Ministry of Information. Chamaka Jere, even though he break many eggs and bringing voodoo in the what Biafrans are doing, there's no problem with that. Ogenkere happened to be one of the best anti-prime minister. Even when I'm not here, you guys should just come. Let us work together. I'm here now. Let us. That they will not. According to the person that just I don't know the woman because she's not CS. That's not CS voice. She have said her own that she can't accept. She can't be deceptive anymore with them. The same thing that lady said. Remember, why are you now crying, complaining? Oh, they have destroyed everything. They want to run away. I'm coming to the issue of destruction. People who actually destroying something. What they said here is that they cannot bear it, they can't take it. Because seeing what they have done is more evident. Like the evidence is too many to ignore. You have seen the way they, like Sona Parawa, keep on telling Biafrans, insulting Igbo people, saying all manner of things. There's a lot of things that I don't know. Okay, let me give you just one example. Look at this post here. Just one. I just want to show you one out of many. He has said on unimaginable thing that this guy has said against Igbo people. Okay, now you can see it here. I'm waiting for the camera to capture it properly. I don't know why it's delaying. Now you can see the date. Okay, you can see the date of this one is 2023. So now I wrote this thing. Fulani plans your death. Then you follow that. Then your fellow Igbo brothers show them the best grave to bury you, all because of money. Okay, from all because of money for becoming recognized by Fulani Caliphate. Then here he said again, who caused Igbo people with backstabbing, jealousy, and hatred? Okay, Obiozo, where are you today? That is his post. Then you can see 24th January 2023. Then here again, this is not that many of them. Then you look at this post he made here. Okay, another post. He said, who laid curse on Igbos? Prime Minister Samanekpa contracted this lobbyist firm for Biafran government in 2024 for Biafran recognitions, liberation, and today some of the useless Biafran led by Ngozi. Okay, that is this one. But I want to understand this red line here. This one. Anywhere you see the red line, that's where you want. That's your area. It's supposed to be your area of concentration because that's what the place where I felt so bad. Who led courses on Igbo? Now, freedom. Now you come down here. Igbos, why are your own always with K legs? So now Barawa, Information Prime Minister, is telling you this. How many evidence just now? One, you can see it here. Follow this. 1, 2, and 3. This is just one out of many. One out of many. After seeing, okay, now the latest one is USB Nigeria. Ngozi or Abu Fulani for no just cause. If some of you crying, oh, why must you unite and for being a round table? How many of you call for PM to form a round table with those who were calling him Berima? Do you feel comfortable seeing that kind of thing? The answer is no, right? So what is different then? Because you are now inside you are not just like in position of US and it doesn't matter anymore. You forgot your comment and your statement during the time of US. what you said, how you perceive the whole thing. Now everybody want to tell you, listen.
Everybody done against the other one. Everybody. But the young people
honestly,
and
I hate to hear more singing ordinary aqua pigeon. If you don't buy one, I call you more. Anyway, listen.
I pipe low. Mana or by them another way system to come out. Then I come out. Million years ago, now no matter how much I want yacha now no matter aja, what you will no one of my say no about it even a campus as if I think of way go. Get nothing. Famasi Jana say, although which I would also say there you go see. So the same man I am my apple because someone have been the couple. Oh my that's no about you can never come with them. That they can't. Reply and goes on like this.
So let me just, I want to pause it. I don't know why it's hanging. I want to pause it. In your own explanation, in your own way of reasoning, you actually feel that PM will come out and choose to destroy what you have built. Like, that means if PM, to be honest with you, if PM come out now and say that everything that this people are, that what they're doing, and even this one talking now, that it is right. That thing I said about Mazam Mekano, that thing I said that I will feel that I have something to say. That I will say the same thing. Okay? No, this is hanging like never before. I don't know why. How many? Okay, we are close to going 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, 1 hour 30 minutes. So the time is against me. Maybe I will come back. I don't want to promise. Maybe I will come back again. Hopefully.
To pack her bag and go. Why yet you will pack your bag and go? Why yet you will?
I'm a man call this woman. Upon English problem. I'll just I'm a man. You, after listening to this conversation, to you, what it means is that they are running away. Okay, you want them to start dragging fighting PM. No, if PM come out and say, this is right, not you are not right, you're not right, it simply means that PM is supporting that thing that they already know that is evil. As simple as that. Like I said, remember what I told you, that if Mazakan, I said it before, not now. If Mazakan, when they were pushing Mazakan to say something to condemn PM, I said if Mazakan, if he eventually says something like that personally I have something to say. I don't want to say that this is what I would do. No, then I just say I have something to say. And that is not that I don't think that what I think about Master Mekano is not what he is. Not to attack him, but I will not believe him anymore. I will not hope, put any hope, and I will not encourage anybody to do. But not to come out and attack him. I cannot attack him. That's the difference between me. Even if now, if you come out and said, no, that Yogan is the best, Sana Paro is best, Chamaka Jere is best, that all of you are wrong. I'm not going to attack you as long as he said it that way. But if you choose to maybe use some derogatory word on me or any that kind of thing, I may reply that kind of thing. You understand? I'm a human being, but not to start telling me, no. I will keep quiet for other people to see what I've seen. That's not go for now one again. Even if it's gonna take 2 years, 3 years, people will end up to see what I feel, what I know. But not to come out and start committing nuisance like what this woman is doing. One thing is that for COS and this the lady that spoke there, for them to say that they will hands off and go. It's a sign that actually for they are genuine. Because people who have ulterior motive will be dragging power and start causing problem. They say they're gonna wash their hands and go. That's a sign that they're genuine. But being that this woman is possessed with negativity, she don't want to accept it. She don't want to accept it. Anyway, let me just end it here. Okay, let me just end it here. Um Maybe we may come out, but there's another voice note that I want to play. Let me see if it has to do with this one. Is it the same day that she made this one? Because okay, she's now wearing cap like in her program. She's wearing one hat like that. Okay, let me open this. Oh, the volume is very low, very low. Is it from my end? Let me check. No, it's not from my end. It's not from my end. So I'm not gonna play the. I'm not gonna play the sound is very low, very very poor. So my people, we have come to an end of this live broadcast. I don't plan to receive call, but please join me in our next one. Okay, we are gonna receive call later tonight. Hopefully we are gonna stream again. Then I will throw line open for you to call. I have line. Our UK line is here. You can call now, but if you have the line, you can call. I will just pick two or three. Okay, let me answer one or two calls, then and I will end it. If you want, just few people only, please, because I am rushing to somewhere now. Just few people. Not this line, not this line. Okay, let me on it. The line is off. Let me on it. Sorry about it. Sorry about it. Just a moment. Just a moment. Let me put the line. Now I know why this our brother was calling this line. Okay, that this line is off. I forgot to on it because I always switch it off. Just a moment. Just bear with me. Let me. This woman is something else. I am going to play in our next broadcast. I will bring to you the one of her broadcasts that I said I will analyze. I will do that because you will connect it with what she said here about against marvelous arranger. So please, you can call the +44 line if you have it. Call it. I think let me just put it out so anybody that wants. Just for few people only. Ngozi is intelligent and determined, focused and capable to bring independence of Biafra. Bring her shit out. She did and spoke a lot. My dear, there's time for everything. There's time for everything. Just in case if you want to call, you have a few minutes to answer the call, please. Just few minutes. Okay, let me just a moment. Your call is coming in, but I cannot see the call. I don't know why. And I can't see your call on my screen here. How will I answer the call that I can't? I don't know where it's coming from. I can't see your call here. I only hear the sound. What's going on? Do I have to? Okay, let me try to start the phone. Just a moment. Let me restart the phone because the phone is giving me a headache. I know that the call is coming, but I cannot. I'm not able to answer that. I'm not able to answer that call. They are sharing everybody, all of them are busy sharing this what is name? This video that I just played for you now. All of them. I don't know what they think about the video. But they know anybody that have something bad in mind, you will go at any length. The person will go at any length to expose himself, thinking that he's doing something nice. But so I forgot to share this post. This is what this guy said here. He shared my video and he said, "Are they afraid?" Just a moment. He said, I don't know why the camera is. You can see it. You can see that, right? You can see that. Are they afraid? Are they afraid? Afraid of what? Afraid of what? Just hear what he said. My video that just let me play it so you can hear. So welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. We are going to go through a post from QTV. And yesterday I talked about what he said, the new development from his own side of agitation. Some people have seen that. I'm going to read it again before we go straight to the program that brought us this morning. And before then, please like the video, share, and subscribe. Okay, very, very important. I would like to read your comments on that. He have actually created a group where some people have started joining him. As time of recording the video, I can confirm to you that 60 people have joined that Telegram group that he created. And that Telegram group is all about his own side of a new group that are going to champion what he himself considers to be depression. And we are not going to waste more time on that because I would like to, like I said, let me locate that post that he made yesterday. I will read it out for you to see. And that post is what I have before me now. I believe this is the one. Okay, he said, please, only for those who were born to liberate Biafra. New Biafran Liberates, I think New Biafran Liberation Forum activated. But according to what he put here, he said New Biafran Liberate Forum activated. If you are among them, let me know. He said it before he started to create a Telegram group that has 60 people as we speak. He made this post 20 hours ago as of the time of recording video. Now, different people have reacted on that. I'm not going to go to the comment again because I would have done that on while we were streaming live on our second platform yesterday. Hello? Hello?
Hello, I report.
Yeah, my brother, good day. Please, you have 2 minutes. 2 minutes only, please.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, bro.
I just want to say a few things. I just want to appreciate your good work in what you are doing. Always on the side of the truth. God will bless you, my brother. This is brave.
I appreciate.
From Indonesia.
Oh, from Indonesia, okay.
Yeah.
I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my brother.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, I'm just calling in to thank you for all you do.
I appreciate it.
And to comment on what, there's something you said that really caught my attention, which is the reason why these those of you that are from the outside, personally I'm on the outside, I'm not in any group or anything, but watching from outside and seeing all the shenanigans that is going on, I feel I'm pained in my spirit for Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. These are the people that made Mazin Nnamdi Kanu's job very difficult.
Yeah.
These are the people that sold him. These are the people, these chronic agitators who are never for freedom. They were not there for freedom.
Yeah.
And to be honest, as painful going on, I still think it is for the benefit of the freedom and the freedom fighters. Because how else can we sieve out these evil people if not for all this they're saying and doing? You will never, if not for all these things coming up, you'll never believe they were not for freedom.
Yeah.
But when push comes to shove, and there is a separation, you see them glaringly. Exactly. And these are the people, the ones that are preventing the genuine people from coming in. 90% of Igbos, Biafrans want freedom. But when we see all this nonsense going on and these ones, and deep inside of you, your deep God, and I feel sorry for all our people. I mean, when they say Nigerians generally, because they drank from the same water Nigeria fed them, made a lot of Nigerians gullible.
True.
You see a typical Biafra or Nigeria that know the truth, they see the truth, but they can't face the truth.
Exactly.
Because they are going to be giving peanuts or they are making money, especially these chronic agitators. Because of the granite money, they want to get all devour the innocent people.
Honestly.
Of Biafra that are genuinely seeking freedom. When the money comes in, they just want to share it like their father, Nigeria. Those people are typical, from terrorist Nigeria. And I have no apologies for them. And I keep telling them that it will soon be over. It's not business as usual because people are opening their eyes, and from this their evil, we are seeing the truth. And we continue to push for USB. God of heavens will always remember Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. She has written her name in gold. She has written her name in annal of history, that she was able to stand and declare that Biafra. And today, we have hope to be safe. We have hope that with the government, we can seek and find what we want, which is freedom. And I tell you this, a lot of people don't even know what is going on in that terrorist state called Nigeria. A lot. It's falling as a pack of cards. And those of them that are collecting money from them, they will fall with them. Because there is no place. It's very bad. What they did to River State is not because they won the money. It's not because they won the position. It's because no foreign country is going to sponsor their nonsense. So they are trying to hijack states and take their money, and it's not going to last. They will still have that trillions of dollars to pay that they are owing. A nation that is owing out of their whole 100% of their income, they are using almost 100% to pay debt. Is it not a shame? That's a failure, and that is a failed state. And all of them that are using, are allowing them to use them, they will be in shame in few days and few months or weeks to come. Thank you, Kai Report, for all you do. I appreciate you. Thank you.
I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please, I don't want to hang any call on anybody. Please, just 2 minutes. Just go straight to the point. Like I said, few people. I want to welcome few people only. Then we call it a day. Someone was calling. I don't know. Let me locate the person. He's our brother. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Kai. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my brother. Okay. I will call you back. I've seen your call. Okay, you are the one. Yeah, my brother. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Unlike the other days, just 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay, let me check whether this 2 minutes will be okay for me.
Oh, God, really good. Oh, God, really good. Okay.
Well, I thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome, bro.
You know, let me start with the Adade
My brother, I will be the one to call you back. This is our brother. I will call you back. Just wait for my call. Okay.
Okay.
I just wait for my call. Thank you. Because he can understand. This is our brother that I want to hear from him. I won't lie. I want to hear from him. Okay.
Hello, Kai Report. Good afternoon from here.
My brother, good afternoon to you.
Hey, Kai Report. Good afternoon, my brother. And a very good afternoon to Genubia fans listening to you.
Thank you.
My brother, to be very honest, this is Emeka Ghana calling, okay?
I know.
Yeah. To be very, very honest to you, I don't know the reason why some of our people, can be following somebody sheepishly. You see? And I can't imagine seeing myself in that kind of sheepishly following people. And for the fact that you have a platform where people gather and listen to you, doesn't mean that, those people that are following you
foolish.
Does not have some sense of their own.
Thank you.
The brain of their own. For the fact that people are following you, doesn't mean that even you can report here. Most of it, you might come online here and say many things. But that doesn't mean that whatever you say will control the viewers, the people that are viewing you, right? You understand where I'm going?
Not at all. I know.
Yeah. So, what am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is that this is freedom that we are fighting. We are fighting for our freedom. And I've never seen where they use, emotional blackmailing to get freedom. I've never seen where they use emotional blackmailing to get freedom.
Okay.
Gossiping here and there, laying unnecessary accusation on something that you are not very sure of, something that you have not verified. You just come on air and dish it out to people, and you believe some people. Although it's the gullible one that will just take that.
Thank you.
Gullible one.
Thank you.
That can just listen to something. You need to. There's something that they say that you need to. Sit down, talk to yourself. +1 + 1, add 1 + 1, and get your answer. You see, but when you come on air, come online, start calling names. To the extent of bringing out a private conversation that you had with somebody, is part of it. Just to blackmail that person is just very high of it. So, let me also use this opportunity to, tell the Ogenkere group, In other words, whoever that castigated you before and later join you can never speak from his or her heart deeply. And trust me, they know who Mary Chika is.
Of course.
She might be trying to blackmail Ngozi Orakeze in every angle, thinking that the Organ Care Group will welcome her with all their heart. That is impossible. That is impossible. I remember what Mazin Nandikano used to tell us, Biafra, that the Hausa man or Fulani man can never trust you that kill your people. Hausa man, Fulani man will convince you to go and kill your people. They will give you this office. And you will come back and kill your people. And they will give you that office. Even when they give you that office, they can never trust you because for the fact that you kill your own, so they can't trust you.
Yeah.
So please, I don't know, this very program our sister did yesterday, I think it's irrelevant. It's irrelevant. There is no any right-thinking person that will find any mistake or anything against Ngozi Orakeze in that very program she made yesterday.
Exactly.
There's no right-thinking person.
Exactly.
This is a private conversation for God's sake. You see? And like I said, I've become totally from her. Because I can't be, you don't watch my prayer, I'm not a kid, like I said. I'm not a baby. You see? This is the freedom we are fighting. Instead of to fight for the freedom we are looking for, it's one blackmail to another blackmail, one lie to another lie, twisting words to twisting words all the time. Somebody will say A, you will twist it to become B, and you want me to believe that your B is the correct one?
My brother.
Believe? No, we don't get freedom like this. Okay. So please, my brother, keep on doing the good work you're doing. Okay. Our brother said this morning, Humble Lion, one of the programs he did this morning, which I just watched. He mentioned somebody like Mazi Iko Tuonya.
Okay.
Iko Tuonya, to be very honest, what Humble Lion said is truth. And what if other Roman is program, I'm watching, and I'm just reading comments. Every other person doing a program, I'm watching, reading comments. Iko Tuonya, I'm no more seeing his comments like Lion Man. So where is he? Maybe our sister have also put him in the state of confusion. And he decided that made him to decide, to sit on the fence and watch what is going on. You see? So by what you are doing, you are indirectly, but what she's doing, she's indirectly discouraging people, discouraging this struggle,
100%.
discouraging people who are willingly to come out for this struggle, indirectly discouraging from many people. Because I don't know why his name calling should be a part of agitating for freedom fighting.
That is it.
I don't know why.
That is it. All right. Thank you so much. I'm so happy to.
Thank you. Keep on your program.
I am so happy to have you on this program. I'm so happy to have you on this program. God bless you. Just be who you are. Just be who you are. See you again.
Yeah, all right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Please, I have only one call to answer. Okay, before just bear with me because my time is up, to be honest with you. Don't be angry. I have to. Please don't be angry, okay? Don't be angry. My time is very, very slim. Have a limited time. Let me just call this person back because he called before and I promised to call him back before. He's gonna be the last caller. Please subscribe so that whenever we are live, you will participate, okay? I'm sorry for not answering your call. It's not an insult. Please, I hope I have not offended you. Hello? Yeah, my brother.
I'm happy that he called that my brother Emeka Ghana.
Yes, that's why.
God bless you.
That's why.
Yes, God bless you. Emeka Ghana have said a lot of things, but I want to really say something here.
Okay.
There is a statement you made. You see, in this agitation, let me tell you, if anybody sabotage this agitation, honestly speaking, the person had the whole over 80 million Biafra.
Gospel
it's
truth.
Not about. That is the gospel truth.
Gospel truth.
And I'm telling you that if anybody, as Adadio Rama is doing today, to be frank with you, Adadio Rama is the worst. In fact, Ogenkere, Sonia Parawa, they're better than Adadio Rama. They're better than Adadio Rama. Nwayi Ocha, na France. Nwayi Ocha is a demon. I don't listen to them any longer. To be frank with you, as he was playing his voice, to be frank with you, I just switch off. Because she irritates me.
So bad.
To tell you to the level, I switch off.
Oh my goodness.
She irritates me. Her ways irritate me. Why her ways irritate me? Because how can she see the truth? Look at what Ngozi Oramide said on the conversation. Look at how she turned it upside down. I switch off.
My brother.
Then I let her enter. By that time, I already finished her voice. Why our people are and I told you the other time, she meant what she said. As I'm speaking to you, I'm speaking to Biafra. She meant what she said. She wants to bring Ngozi Oramide down because Ngozi Oramide did not obey her. She has sworn with her life, and she meant what she said. Why I'm saying this? Because this woman is more than saboteur. Adadio Rama has dragged this agitation 20 back forward. Adadio Rama is the worst in this agitation. Adadio Rama is a demon in this agitation. And some of people will come up and be following and clapping for her. I don't listen to her. Please, I want to tell you, if you want to play Adadio Rama voice, go ahead. But any day that you will play Adadio Rama voice, I think I will not be there with you. I'm telling you,
brother.
I hate her. Anybody wants to destroy this agitation, I hate the person, not what the person is doing. I hate her. I hate anybody that wants to destroy over 80 million of Biafra people. You don't know what it is?
I understand the pain. But if I did not play that, people may not understand the analysis. So it's always good for you to hear her voice, to understand what she's saying. You understand? So, but I understand your own feeling. No, I understand. I respect you for that. But playing that, I cannot promise you that I will not be playing it. That's just the fact. I will be playing the voice.
It's your platform. I'm sorry for putting it for you. It's your platform. You have right to do.
No, it's everything no. I don't have
right to. Sorry for using that language.
It's not
I
about.
don't have right to tell you what your platform.
My brother,
please.
My brother. No. It's not about you. You telling me what. Without you, there's no platform. Do you understand? Without you watching, the platform is useless. So it's not about it's my platform. I don't do that nonsense. What I'm just trying to tell you for you to understand why I have to play it. It is good to hear what she said, the way she put the message. Then it will make more sense when the analysis come. But if I did not play that and say, you know, she said, I may not quote her the way she said it, but you hearing that nonsense will help you to comprehend very well. So yeah, I'm not. It's not about I can do what I want on my platform. No, without you watching, the platform is useless.
So, yeah, for you to say it did not hurt her, it did not hurt this person, my dear, anybody that is sabotaging this agitation.
Did I say that? Wait. Did I say that I did not hate her?
He said it's not that he hurt her.
Okay, yeah, that I hate what she's doing. Yes. That I hate what she's doing.
Anybody, let me tell you, I'm telling you about my own.
Okay.
We are talking about over 80 million Biafra, over 80 million lives. And one person or two group or three people or 10 people have come out in social media and tried to destroy and tried to pull us back. Do you know what it means?
I understand. I understand.
Do you know what it means? Do you know what Samaneba are going through to build this? Do you know what Ngozi Odabesa is going through to make sure that you see, I've told you the other time, you see Ngozi Odabesa, they don't know Ngozi Odabesa. Even at that other man don't know Ngozi Odabesa. The kind of connection the woman has. The woman has connection. If the woman, not because she said it, I know by myself. I know who she is.
Okay.
I know by myself. Not because she said it. Ngozi Odabesa want to be a minister in Nigeria today, my dear, they will put up somewhere. That's a vacant. Do you get what I'm telling you now?
Very, very clear. Very, very clear. All right, thank you. Thank you so much. What will happen is that before I come live, I will holler you. You understand?
Okay.
I will get back to you, okay? So that both of us may have the program together. So if you want, we can do that, okay? God bless you. I appreciate your time. And let me quickly go to that is the last caller for today. Please, if I did not answer your call, it's not out of pride. My brother, just bear with me, okay? It's not out of pride. I have somewhere to go. Just bear with me, please. Don't feel bad about it. I have somewhere to go, okay? Our next broadcast, we will have time for phone call. Maybe if you want to comment on this program, then no problem, okay? But I cannot tell you the time. I don't know when I will come back from where I'm going. But if I make it on time, we'll start on time. Thank you, Ezin Wifey. I see you say she was my number one favorite. Honestly, she and the young man on run broke my heart. I am too wise to believe in their lies and cheap propaganda. The CK and don't disappoint us, please. I hear you. Thank you. And she said again, is it the same person? Okay, yeah. Wow. Thank you for the super chat. If anyone. Ezin Wifey. Thank you for super chat. He said again, I can only say thank you, Mazekai. Thank you so much, my sister. God bless you. I really appreciate it. Thank you for the super chat, 2 super chats. I really appreciate you on that. And God bless you, all of you that spend your time with me this hour. See you again. Bye-bye for now.